This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Oxygen sensors replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood slightly, push the hood safety latch to your right, then raise the hood. Remove the hood prop rod and place it in the slot marked for the hood prop. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. If you're replacing the downstream oxygen sensor, raise the front of the vehicle and support it on jack stands. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Place a floor jack under the center of the subframe and jack the car up until jack stands can be slid in under the sides of the car. Place a jack stand on each side of the vehicle, under the vehicle, and adjust the jack height until it engages with the proper jacking point on the unibody seam. Lower the jack until the body is resting squarely onto the jack stands. Locate the upstream oxygen sensor on the catalytic converter or exhaust manifold. Trace the wiring from the sensor to the electrical connector. Locate the downstream oxygen sensor on the exhaust pipe. Trace the wiring from the sensor to the electrical connector. Release the safety tab, disconnect the oxygen sensor electrical connector, and then free the wiring harness from any retaining clips. Using an oxygen sensor socket, unscrew and remove the oxygen sensor. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If installing a new sensor, it's not necessary to apply anti-seize compound because it should already have anti-seize pre-applied. Install the oxygen sensor, then tighten it to the specified torque setting. Connect the oxygen sensor electrical connector. Raise the car using the jack, then remove the jack stands. Then slowly lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the floor jack from under the vehicle. Remove the chocks from around the rear wheels. Release the parking brake. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable bolt securely.